Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. चलो मैथ्स पढ़ने. Dear students, we have a question of a straight line. This type of question is important for the students who are preparing for competitive examinations and the students who are in class 11, right? How we can solve this question? Watch till the end and share it to your friends. Let us start its solution. Question is, the vertices of triangle PQR are given. Which coordinates are also given, and find the equation of the median through vertex R. Means we have to find the equation of a median of this triangle PQR and drawn from the vertex R, right? First of all, we draw its figure, and we have the triangle is PQR. This is the triangle. Okay, coordinates of these vertices are here 2 1, coordinates of point Q minus 2 comma 3, and coordinates of point R are 4 comma 5, right? First we have to draw its median through vertex R, and we know that median is the line segment drawn from any one of the vertex on the opposite side, joining midpoint of opposite side, right? So we join the midpoint of line segment PQ, side PQ to R. Okay, this is the median. We have to find its equation, right? Not its length. We have to find its equation. For this, first of all, we find the midpoint of line segment PQ, means side PQ, right? And we know that the midpoint of PQ, let this is D. Okay, this point is D. First we find its coordinates, and after this we can find the equation of median RD using the 2-point forms equation of a straight line, right? So midpoint of PQ. Midpoint of PQ is D, which can be obtained by using x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, you know from class 10th, okay? 2 plus minus 2, this will be 0, and 0 by 2 is 0, and 1 plus 3, 4 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. This is the coordinates of point D. Here we write 0 and 2, okay? And we have to find the equation of RD. Therefore, equation of median RD, equation of median RD is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. We can find the required equation by using this formula, because we know that if there are 2 points are given in on the line, then we can find its equation by using this formula, this equation, okay? Here this is x1 y1, and this is x2 y2, okay? Put these values in this equation and we get the required answer. Okay, y minus y1, here y1 is 5, so we write here 5 equals to y2 minus y1, means 2 minus 5, it will be minus 3, and x2 minus x1, 0 minus 4, it will be minus what? 4. Minus minus cancel, and here x minus x1, x1 is what? 4, x minus 4. And now we cross multiply here and we get 4y minus 5 4 20 equals to 3x minus 12. And after this we take all the terms in one side and we write here 3x minus 4y, and we take 20 minus 20 also in right hand side, then we get 20 minus 12, this is 8, equals to 0. This is the required equation of median RD. This type of questions are very useful for the competitive examinations also, and for the students who are in class 11th. Okay, sorry. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you very much.